When we upload videos, for getting instant notifications, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Shona Recipes with me Chef Shona.
In today's episode, I am going to prepare apple halwa. It's a very delicious dessert. Trust me guys, definitely you need to try this recipe. Don't miss to watch till the end. So come on, let's get started and check out the recipe. Initially, the process starts with by adding ghee. Add 3/4 cup of grated raw coconut. Now take one apple, cut it into a small pieces. Add these pieces into pan. Combine everything and fry it on a low flame. Now add 3/4 cup of sugar and mix everything. Cook for 5 minutes until sugar gets melted. Now add cardamom powder. Add few drops of orange red food color and it's optional. Cook until this halwa comes to near. Apple halwa was ready and we need to transfer this apple halwa into serving bowl. This apple halwa is very simple to prepare. Try this dessert and give your valuable feedbacks in the comment section. In next episode, I am going to prepare Bangladesh special egg pita recipe. Don't miss it. When we upload videos for instant notification, subscribe to Chef Shona Recipes and click on the bell icon.